If you want to customize sidebar apps on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, then in this case, of course, we need to go ahead and open our sidebar. And if you scroll all the way down, you should be able to find this plus button. So now we can tap over here in order to start customizing, and we can choose up to 10 apps that will be always included on the sidebar. Unfortunately, we cannot remove every app that is over there. So if I get rid of every app that I have over here, I can still see some suggestions. And unfortunately, we cannot really get rid of them. Unfortunately, Xiaomi doesn't allow us to do so. But we can choose up to 10 apps. So let's say I'm gonna just choose any of these apps that I have over here as an example. There we go. Let's go ahead and do so. And one more. There we go. Of course, after that, we cannot add more. So let's tap on done. And then once you open the sidebar, you will have your apps, your selected apps first, and then some additional suggested apps as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.